Hey everybody, it's Cheryl here. So today I decided to do a video of doing a tutorial on Valentine's Day makeup. I think it's really nice for a date look. I think it just looks really pretty. It's very berry toned. Also, I'm working on my lighting in videos. I know it hasn't been the best lately. I guess I just need to use more natural light. It's the afternoon right now, so I'm using the nice natural light, and I think my lighting's getting better, but I'm definitely working on making it better for you guys. And I did use the Femme Rosa palette by ColourPop. I'm not sure if it's still available. I know that it's been a very popular palette and it just looks so beautiful. Whenever I look at all these ColourPop palettes, I just think of like paint, like watercolor paint palettes. That's just how they look. All of these products that I use are pretty affordable. If you guys like watching these kinds of videos, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm starting off with the IT Cosmetics CC Plus cream. I really enjoy this product because I used to have the luminous version, but it had glitter in it. So I decided to buy this one and I really enjoy it. I'm now using the I Love Stage primer and I'm just blending it out with a Real Techniques foundation brush. I'm now using a flat top fluffy brush and I'm applying the Stay Matte by Rimmel powder in 005 Silky Beige. I'm using the Femme Rosa palette by ColourPop. I'm taking tape and applying it on my eyes just so I can have a crisp line. Taking two crease shades on my eyes and just blending it out. I'm taking this duo-sided brush and just applying a nice berry lid shade on my lid. I'm taking a metallic pink in the inner thirds of my eye. Now I'm using the berry shade and applying it to my outer corners and kind of using it as an eyeliner. Now applying that light pink shade on the center of my lids. Taking those same two colors on my lower lash line, the same two transition colors on my lid. I decided to incorporate my Naked palette as well, so I'm just using Virgin and Naked. I'm using mascara, it's the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. This is the Hard Candy blush called Bombshell. I'm using the Physicians Formula Miami Shimmer Strips. Now I'm taking the Kaylin lip gloss. I got this in an Ipsy bag a really long time ago. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It would make me really happy, and my social medias are gonna be right over here on the screen. And if you guys have any plans for Valentine's Day, whether it be just staying at home, watching movies, or like going on a date, you should definitely comment down below because I would really love to know that. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!